What's up, guys? This is episode 3 of flipping 400 bucks into 50K. Right now, the account is around 1600. Um, I didn't trade that much yesterday. Actually, I took a small loss of like 60, 70 bucks. Um, well, that's fine. I'm gonna show you the trade that I took on NAS. This trade I took on Wednesday. Was it Wednesday? Let me see. Yeah, Wednesday around after the news that we had, the big news that we had on Wednesday at 2:30, the FOMC. I took this trade around 2:30. I will say about 3 p.m. and just let it ride overnight, which it did. It actually in out of session between Asia and London through on Thursday, it went up almost 250 point. Well, not this one. No, it was kind of this one, I believe. 4 in the morning, 5. Yeah, yeah. It went around almost 200 points. So I'm gonna show you why I took this trade. Actually, let me just remove all of this. So as you can see, and with what I told you before, we now seeing a bullish trend. I don't know at this point. It's not loading. It's not loading. Oh no, yeah, that's it. That was the highest high. Ooh. Okay, the highest point that NAS have been is 16695, and that was back in 2 years ago. The December 1st, 2021. So we were on the news, we were right here. Let's go back to 1 hour. We know already we're in the bullish trend. Um this was this was Wednesday right here. So I always mark my support zone. Uy, uy. I always mark my support zone, which was right here. Mm, I mark my highest one, which it was this is the highest high of all time. We got at that time he made this before. Okay, we had another high that this high was made on Tuesday, a day before the news. Okay, so having this, let me actually see. Let me go back. Wednesday. Okay, so we were right here. This was at 1:12 p.m. already, 2 hours before the news. Let's see, let's do this. Okay, 2 hours before the news. 2 p.m. news came up. It came down at okay, came out. So my position I entered when I saw this that it respected this support. I actually entered two positions. Long. I'm gonna show you what I enter. I enter okay 15. The first one was at 15 446 7. That was my first one, and my stop loss was kind of below, just a little bit below this previous week. Obviously, targeting I was targeting actually 1600. Yeah, let's leave it like that. But I was targeting 1600. And I entered the second trade 1542. The second trade I enter, make lock this 15492.2. So this was my second entry right here, targeting the same. Let me lock this. Okay. So trade was moving, both in my favor. It reached that. I think it came out. Did it came out? No. Okay, no. At that point, this was already for 3 in the morning. It came up. I had also, let me put this because I know I had a little, oh, I had a little bit of resistance right here that I draw. For me, that was a little bit of a resistance, so I draw this. Okay, so it went up, kept going up. So this was 9 in the morning. Did we have on Thursday? We have some news at 8:30, but that wasn't that bad on Thursday. So it came up, it retested, came up, and then it went up. Now I was sleeping at this time because I felt bad. I was sick. Thanks God I have my alarms. The things like what you're gonna see now why it went down because the rates went up on the news, so it made the market bleed. But you're gonna see what happened. So I ended up coming up around exiting my trades around here, both of them, making a good profit, like 300 something bucks. Um, so it came down, but if you can see, if I should have held the things like why I didn't help the drop, because at this point I didn't know if it was gonna actually keep going down with the market. You never know. I prefer to secure money, my trade, and then wait for another entry. However, I didn't pay attention overnight on this, and I was looking. I was trading actually gold yesterday, so I completely missed this re-entry right here. But this was good because you see what it did. This was no, there was Asia, APN. Asia actually moved. I should have seen this at 12, and you see how it rejected again. That was a good for me. I would have entered again there. So it just kept going up. 7 in the morning. That was 9 in the morning already, and pretty much that's how the day ended. He pretty much came back to the support. Now, I want to see what at this point I'm out of the trade. I'm done. Are you gonna see by the end of this video a little clip of my trade that I was taking at the time that the trade was going up, so you guys can see the profit. So coming up next week, I want to see he's gonna break if he's gonna actually break the because now he created a lower high right here, another high for us. So I want to see if he actually gonna break it to potentially continue up to actually the 600. Oh, yeah, okay. To potentially coming out to the 600 and then give us another small retest as a pullback. Um, for continuation. I'm definitely think that it's gonna come up, retest. Now the retest, we don't know where it's gonna be, whether it's gonna be here, it's gonna be here, or it's actually gonna shoot up a little bit more to give us a bigger pullback. So yeah, guys, that was my trade. I'm looking to see if I can end this oncoming week at least with 4K on the account. With 4K, it's gonna be easier for me to reach to 6, 7K, 10K, and then when I get 10K, it's gonna be easier to get 15, 20, and so on. As you know, I'm not rushing the account. My sec target is gonna be around November to have the 50K already. So we'll see. But for now, yeah, the account is around 1600. And I hope I can finish this oncoming week around 4K, hopefully 4K. I'm gonna be probably going live for London on Monday. And I going and depends on how it goes on London. I'll probably do another live on New York. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great, amazing rest of the week.